Excess property.
Okay. Maybe we go to the police department now.
Yeah.
Okay. That's funny. They got a call. Oops.